My journey. How I learned English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share a very personal and inspiring story with you. It's the story of Harry and his incredible journey of learning English. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this fascinating tale. Harry grew up in a small town where English was rarely spoken. His native language was the one everyone around him used, and English felt like a distant, foreign world. Harry was always curious and loved stories, but most of the books available to him were in his native language. One day, while exploring his grandfather's attic, Harry stumbled upon an old, dusty English novel. It was The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes by Arthur Conan Doyle. Although he couldn't understand most of the words, the mystery of the English language intrigued him. He decided that he wanted to read that book one day without any help. Harry's journey began with the basics. His school offered English classes, but they were very basic and focused more on grammar rules than on practical usage. Harry knew he needed more if he wanted to read his beloved book. He started with the alphabet, learning the sounds of each letter and how they combine to form words. He watched English cartoons with subtitles and mimicked the characters' speech. It was slow at first, and sometimes frustrating, but Harry was determined. His parents noticed his interest and bought him a simple English dictionary. Every day, Harry learned a few new words and their meanings. He practiced using them in sentences, even if they were just simple ones like the cat is black or I like apples. As Harry grew older, he realized that to truly master English, he needed to immerse himself in it. He started listening to English songs, even if he couldn't understand all the lyrics at first. The rhythm and repetition helped him pick up new words and phrases. Harry also discovered the world of English movies and TV shows. He watched them with subtitles, then without, gradually training his ear to understand the dialogue. He particularly loved fantasy movies like Harry Potter and The Lord of the Rings. These stories captivated him and motivated him to improve his English so he could understand them better. At school, Harry found a teacher who saw his potential and passion for English. She recommended books, websites, and even free online courses. Harry joined an English club where he could practice speaking with other students who were also learning the language. One summer, Harry's town hosted an exchange program, bringing English-speaking students from different countries. Harry was thrilled at the opportunity to practice his English with native speakers. He volunteered to be a local guide for the visiting students. At first, it was intimidating. Harry felt nervous and self-conscious about his accent and mistakes. But the exchange students were friendly and encouraging. They helped Harry with his pronunciation and taught him slang and colloquial expressions. Harry's confidence grew as he realized that making mistakes was a natural part of learning. By the end of the program, Harry had made several new friends and improved his English significantly. He was now able to hold conversations, understand jokes, and even explain things in English. It was a major breakthrough in his journey. Harry knew that to keep improving, he had to make use of modern technology. He started using language learning apps like Duolingo and Memrise. These apps made learning fun and interactive, offering daily challenges and instant feedback. He also joined online forums and social media groups where people from all over the world practiced English. Harry participated in discussions, asked questions, and even helped others who were just starting their English learning journey. Harry discovered podcasts and YouTube channels dedicated to learning English. He would listen to podcasts during his commute and watch YouTube videos in his free time. One of his favorite YouTube channels was English Seekho, which offered engaging lessons and interesting English stories. Years of hard work and dedication paid off when Harry decided to revisit the adventures of Sherlock Holmes. This time, he was able to read the book without any help. He understood the intricate plot, the witty dialogues, and the brilliant deductions of Sherlock Holmes. It was a moment of triumph for Harry. He realized how far he had come from the boy who couldn't understand a single word of English. Reading that book was not just about understanding the language, it was about fulfilling a dream and proving to himself that he could achieve anything with determination and perseverance. Harry's journey didn't stop there. He wanted to help others who were struggling to learn English just like he did. He became an English tutor in his community, teaching children and adults alike. He shared his methods, resources, and most importantly, his story. Harry started a blog and a YouTube channel where he posted tips, lessons, and motivational content for English learners. His story inspired many people around the world to start or continue their own journeys in learning English. Harry's journey of learning English is a testament to the power of determination and perseverance. He started with nothing but a dream and transformed it into a reality through consistent effort and passion. So, whether you're just starting out or you've been learning English for a while, remember Harry's story. Believe in yourself, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your journey might be challenging, but the rewards are incredibly fulfilling. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed Harry's story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more inspirational content. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this story of Harry's journey in learning English. It's a reminder that with dedication and the right resources, anyone can achieve their language learning goals.